Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add product reviews on your Shopify store. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's get started. First, you have to scroll down on the left till you come to add apps and press that. You will see some apps that are recommended by Shopify. Press find more apps in the Shopify, and at the top, search for the product reviews. Look for some app that is integrated with Shopify. So when I open it, it says that it is developed by Shopify. So click on add app and go install app at the top right. And after it's installed, go to your online store. If we go over to the customize button and open it, go over to the catalog section, you should see the product you made here. Then go over to the left again and look for the option add block and press this. At the bottom, you should see that there is an app integration, but currently I don't have that option. But if you do, just select that which says reviews so that you can add that and wait for a moment. And then after that, you can write reviews now. After you write a review, make sure to save the changes at the top. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!